Hey guys, it's week 7 and I've been away for 1 week and there's been some good progress, so let me just show you how we get on the inside. This room here, we have got, well, let me just have a look at how it is on the back. It's the first time that I'm coming here. But yeah, look, the space is good. This is the open space. Behind me, what I can see is this steel is in now, and the whole space is starting to open up. That wall has gone down. I can see that staircase, all of this underneath here is going to be taken out, and then we're going to be building some storage units in there. We've still got a box frame that's going to be following this steel all the way, and then that will open up, and then that wall will go, and then the outside is what it is. I don't think much has happened there. Most of the work has probably happened upstairs, so let's take a look. First floor, and one of the first things that I notice is the size of this hallway, and that has been created because we've moved the doorway back to here, and that gives us this as extra space. Behind me, we've got 1 bedroom. To the left of us, we have the main bathroom. Now, that bathroom is going to be utilized from this bedroom, and then upstairs, the 2 bedrooms are also going to be able to utilize this main bathroom, and any guests will also use this. And behind you is where it gets really special. Behind me, we've got the master bedroom. Now, if you guys remember, there was a door here that took us into this bedroom, but we've now closed that off. And the reason, if you remember, is because we've got a master bedroom that then has, in this section here, a walk-in wardrobe, and then that will then lead on to a master ensuite, which is this entire space. So that's going to be the really big wow factor for the parents of the household, and it's going to want to make them buy this property, and we're going to get a record price. Let me take you inside. So coming through here, this space, if we come round here, we're in the master bedroom here. This is a nice big space, and behind me, this is the entrance to the walk-in wardrobe. So as the parents come in here, they've got clothes here. It'll be like a bespoke finish, clothes here, a nice hanging system, shoes, suits, dresses, whatever. And then we're going to have some doors that open up either internally or externally, and we're going to walk in to our ensuite. So master bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, ensuite bathroom. We're going to have a really nice round bath here. We'll have a his and hers sink over here, so mum and dad can have their own sinks. And on this side, we'll have a wet floor shower with a nice piece of glass and a lovely WC over here. So this space for me, it is on point. It's going to get us a record price. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to show you the finish and how this progresses. Let's take a look upstairs. Top floor, this is the new loft, and what was really important for me as part of my project management and making sure that I'm on point when it comes to the layout, the design, and getting top money for this house is I wanted to have 2 bedrooms up here. So there's 1 behind you and 1 to the right hand side, and then I wanted to have these 2 bedrooms be able to have a separate shower room, but then they can also go downstairs and use the main bathroom. So the space is really nice. In order to create that, there was some steel calculations that needed to be adjusted, and experience is the most important thing, and making sure that your contractors are on point. So that was key. Behind you, you've got 1 bedroom, and to the right of us, let's have a look. We've got this lovely master bedroom for one of the elder children here. So right here, we're going to have a double bed. In front of us, we're going to have a TV, and behind you, we're going to have an L-shaped fitted wardrobes, and then there's a small chair. There's some French doors here, and you can look out onto the garden, and this is a super bedroom. Now, if this bedroom wants to use the bathroom, this is where they go. And in here, what we have is a small shower space here. When I say small, the head height is very good. We're going to have a loo here and a basin there, and this is your bathroom. And behind you, you can see over here, we have the second bedroom, which is a good size as well. There'll be a landing here. Initial staircase comes up there. There's a landing. It wraps around, comes up here. Second landing, and then you're going to have a bedroom, and a bathroom. So stay tuned for the interior design. Tomorrow, I've got a meeting here with my architects and our contractors, and that's where we're going to make some really important decisions in terms of like where we're putting the sockets, where the lighting's going. The architect's going to be coming here. They're going to get briefed from me in terms of what I want in terms of the look and the feel and the style and the quality. And as part of your updates over weeks 9, 10, 11 and 12, and I've got to finish this in 18 weeks, so I'm under pressure. The end product is going to be one of the best houses that you guys have ever seen, and that's a promise by me. So stay tuned, and please do share, like, subscribe, and be part of the journey. It's a great learning process for you guys, and I look forward to seeing you maybe at the end of the week. Until then, Monty Nawaz, out.